Eicher's class. Today we finished 6.5 attributes of three-dimensional shapes. Attributes are just like characteristics, things about them, right? All right, here we go. A 3D figure. A three-dimensional figure has how many dimensions?
3.
I'm going to wait for everybody to be looking up here. Everybody. So a three-dimensional figure has 3 dimensions, yes?
Yes.
They are the...
Base, height, width.
So a 3D shape has some thickness to it, right? Has some fatness to it. A 2D shape only has how many dimensions?
2.
And they are the...
Base,
And the...
height.
Okay. Parallel, 2 lines that never intersect. We know that one. Base. Some 3D shapes have 2 bases. Okay, we'll talk about that. Face. The flat surface of a 3D shape. Would this be considered a face? Would this be considered a face?
Yes.
So it'd be all of the shapes that make up a 3D shape. Right? All the shapes that make up a 3D shape. Edge. Is this an edge?
Yes.
Is this an edge?
Yes.
Okay. So edges are like the straight lines that make up a shape.
Yes.
Vertex. These are the pointy parts of a shape, right?
Yes.
It's where we have lines or edges coming together, yes? Okay, cool. All right, a prism. A prism is a 3D shape, yes, no?
Yes.
How many parallel bases does a prism have?
2.
How many congruent bases does a prism have?
2.
And what is true about the bases? They are what?
Opposite.
Pyramid, 3D shape. How many bases does a pyramid have?
1.
And the faces and edges all come to a single vertex, yes?
Yes.
What do we name prisms after and what do we name bases after? I'm sorry, what do we name prisms after and what do we name pyramids after?
Bases.
I gave it away, didn't I? They're bases. Okay, cool. How many bases does a prism have?
2.
How many bases does a prism have?
2.
How many bases does a pyramid have?
1.
This is just a quick review. What is this thing called again?
Edge.
What is this called again?
Vertex.
This is called a rectangular prism because how many bases does it have?
2.
Could these also be considered the bases right there?
Yes.
Okay, it has how many faces?
6.
Count with me. There's 1, right?
1, 2,
Hold on.
3.
So we got the top, the bottom. That's 4, right?
Yes.
We got the left, the right, yes?
5, 6.
So those are the 6 faces, right? Let's count the edges. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So I just retraced all of the lines that make up the shape, right?
Yes.
And then how many vertices or how many pointy parts do we have? Let's count them. What are we at right now?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Are we going to want to put those points and draw those lines on our shapes to make sure we have the right amount of them?
Yes.
We're for sure going to want to do that. This is a triangular pyramid because why? What's the base?
Triangle.
And all of the sides make a what shape? All of the sides make what shape?
Triangle.
Triangles, right? And all of the edges come to a point. So it's a pyramid, right?
Yes.
Same idea. We can count faces, edges, and vertices, yes?
Yes.
What kind of shape is this? Again, we have all of the edges coming to a point, right?
Yes.
And what is this shape at the base?
Pentagon.
It's a pentagon, right?
Yes.
So we got a pentagonal pyramid, yeah?
Yes.
We good?